Another curse item? Great, let's see what today is. A tiny washer machine? Cute, but what does it do? It gives me money? I'm gonna be rich. Let's go shopping.
Your total today is $270.
Okay, I got it. Here's $500. Keep the change.
Okay.
Besties, put y'all's most expensive clothes on. We're going to the best restaurant in town.
Gordon Ramsay's?
Yes, I'm paying. This is nice.
Here's your ticket, no
Oh,
rush.
how much is it?
$1,700.
Okay, I got it right here.
Bestie, that's a
What?
penny.
Hold on. Never trust a cursed item.